Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets and numbers. Kids class name. Red color, yellow color, blue color, yellow ochre color, green color, brown color. Kids now coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for ant. And use red color, red color. The alphabets of A. Kids again use red color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. Kids now draw C. C for cat, C for car. The alphabets of C. And use yellow color, yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. The alphabets of D. Kids now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E. And use blue color, blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. The alphabets of F. Kids now draw G. G for God, G for glass. The alphabets of G. And use yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter. The alphabets of H. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. The alphabets of I. Kids now draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. The alphabets of J. And use green color, green color. Kids again use green color and draw K. K for kite, K for king. The alphabets of K. Kids now draw L. L for lion. The alphabets of L. And use brown color, brown color. Kids again use brown color and draw M. M for moon. The alphabets of M. Kids now draw N. N for nest, N for nose. The alphabets of N. And use red color, red color. Kids now draw O. O for orange, O for octopus. And use red color, red color. Kids now draw P. P for parrot, P for penguin. The alphabets of P. And use yellow color, yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw Q. Q for queen. The alphabets of Q. Kids now draw R. R for rose, R for rice. The alphabets of R. And use blue color, blue color. Kids neither S for sun, and again use blue color, blue color. Kids neither T for teacher, T for tiger, the words of T, and use yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw U, U for umbrella, the alphabets of U. Kids neither V for V for vanilla, the alphabets of V, and use green color, green color. It's again use green color and draw W, W for wolf, the alphabets of W. It's neither X for X-ray, the alphabets of X, and use brown color, brown color. It's again use brown color and draw Y for yak, the alphabets of Y. It's neither Z for zebra, Z for zoo, and again use brown color, a brown color. Kids neither numbers, and first you draw 1, the numbers of 1, and use red color, red color. O and E1. Kids again use red color and draw 2, the numbers of 2, T, W or 2. Kids neither 3, the numbers of 3, and use yellow color, yellow color. T, H, R, W, T. Kids again use yellow color and draw 4, the numbers of 4, F, O, U, R, 4. Kids neither 5, the numbers of 5, and use blue color, blue color. F, I, V, 5. 6, the numbers of 6, and again use blue color, SIX. Kids neither 7, the numbers of 7, and use yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow color and draw 8, the numbers of 8. Kids neither 9, the numbers of 9, and use green color, green color. N, I, N, E9. Kids again use green color and draw 10, the numbers of 10, T, E, and 10. Kids today draw A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for hand, I for ice cream, J for jackfruit, K for kite, L for lion, M for moon, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V for vanilla, W for wolf, X for x-ray, Y for yak, and Z for zebra. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.